I'm in Krabi. यहाँ पर पास में मुझे एक आउटलेट मॉल दिखा है. I'm going to go and explore there. What all brands are out there and what discounts are available for us. Okay, so we start with the first store. It's Puma Continue. अच्छा ये दो ब्रांड्स एक साथ हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं यहाँ पर. स्टोर एक ही होता है, उसमें 2-3 मल्टी ब्रांड्स रहते हैं. So what do we walk into? A Puma sneaker wall, running shoe, performance shoe wall, and then we have some sneakers here. I like this one. Price for this?
1,500.
It's a cool sneaker. I love it. These are some performance shoes. This one?
2,250 baht.
This is a nice color in this. It's a Puma Nitro series. Oh, I love this color. Look at this. Wow. Too good. This one for?
3,540 baht.
Oh, check out this one. It's really cute. 1,050 baht, 3,200 rupees. A lot of accessories as well. Girls sports bras, training shorts, training pants. Oh, nice snapback cap. I love this plain white caps. I don't know. I'm not able to pull this off, but a lot of people would be able to pull this off. What's this brand? This is?
4F for Poland.
Polish brand. Okay. It looks premium. Oh, this is all Polish brand. 4F. I like this cap. What's the price for this one?
300 baht.
300 baht, which is like 900 rupees. I'll just try this. छोटा दिख रहा है. Size छोटा है. I think this is for women. I'll pass this. But 900 rupees for this one, it is pretty cool. 900 रुपए में क्या मिलता है यार? How much is this Puma hat for?
550.
1,700 rupees. I like these training t-shirts. Plain training t-shirt. Oh, what's this brand?
Continue Thailand brand.
Continue. Thailand-based brand. Okay, that's nice. Where are you from?
Thailand.
You're from Thailand? What's your name?
Kwan.
Kwan.
Yeah.
Amit here. Cheers. Oh, these are sports bras for girls. Look at this athleisure jacket for girls. Okay, this is a cord set. So it comes like this. What would be the price for this?
1,130.
You know, these athleisure jackets are too much in trend right now. Like you wear this on top of a sleeveless training top and you run and you train around. Wow, look at this. Clean white pair of sneakers. Wow. This is Continue brand? Thailand brand. And what's the price for this?
2,093 baht.
Oh, this is pretty cool and it's very lightweight. I see these Puma Nitro slides, 2,000 baht. Yeah, but I like these slides. I've never seen a Nitro slide. This is the first time I'm coming across a Nitro slides actually. It's extremely lightweight, mostly for recovery purpose. Good vibe of the store. They've got a lot of shorts like here. It's going to be difficult for me to check out everything, but we're going to move to the next store. See you. I am going to move on. See you. Take care. Bye. Okay, what's next? Oh, I see a Timberland store here. Timberland boots are in trend right now. Let's see what do we find here. Do we find a Timberland pair of boots? Man, look at this. This is what we look for. Too cool. What's the price for this one?
After discount, 10,800.
That's like 11,500 rupees. It's not a bad price, yeah. It's such a cool shoe. We made a video also on this in case you guys have missed out. This shade as well. There are different shades, but all the Timberlands almost look the same if in case you're picking up this silhouette. They've got a lot of varieties. They've got some wind cheaters as well. I see some wind cheaters. Look at this wind cheater. Looks cool. Green shade. They've got a blue color also in this and a black one. Oh wow, what is this? Let me just flip it out. Wow, this looks cool. What's the price for this one? 9,900. So 70 was like 3,000, somewhere around 3,000 baht, which is 3 times the price in Indian rupees, which is like 9,000 rupees. I actually just walked into this store because of those Timberland boots. Those are very trending. But apart from that also, if you're too much into classic, real functional clothing for winter wears, this is a good brand. What's next? Lacoste. I'm not very used to that brand, so I'll probably pass. Playboy innerwear. Okay, I'm gonna pass that as well. I see Adidas there. Let's go and find out. I hope we get something considerable. Oh, a lot of superstars. I love this one. Oh, check this out. Price for this one? 2,750. Whoa. So cool. Animal print. What's the price for this?
2,000.
Like 6,000 rupees, guys. Not a bad deal. Very good. Oh, this is 4,000. So after discount, 2,000. Okay. You get colors in these Stan Smiths. This is for women mostly. This is red, blue and green, black, off black. Wow, check this out. If you guys are into high ankle sneakers, look at this. I see NMDs. Wow. Oh, these are NMDs. Okay, these are black color NMDs. You know, to be honest, it's not really difficult to get Adidas on discount. 6,500.
55%.
Oh, so if you buy 3, it's going to be 65% off. Wow, nice. Good information. Now, I was interested in this. The price is 2,800. That will be like 1,400. I'm loving it already. I probably might pick something up. Oh, check this. I'm liking it, guys. Let me just find a good deal. Whoa, Adidas Boost running sneakers. Wow. So 7,000 rupees for this. So 3,500 would be like upwards of just between 10,000 to 11,000 rupees. Look at all these colors out here. These are all Boost running shoes. pink ones to black. I like the variety. I mean, you get so much here. Pretty cool one. Okay, there's some athleisure jackets here. Let's just see if I find anything. 3,800 baht. You know, Adidas apparels are so good. I always love it. But the problem is they are also expensive. This is a shorts which is worth 2,250 rupees. One more shorts which is like 2,400. So simple calculation, 2,400 divided by 50% is like 1,200 baht, which is into 3,600 for this shorts. Still expensive for me. Lot of apparels also out here. School stuff. I love it. Oh, let me just see something here. Oh, look at this. 3,200. Look at this long sleeveless jersey kind of a thing. It's gonna be expensive, yeah. Oh, look at this fantastic top. I don't know what to call this. This for women, and this is only for 2,700 rupees. क्या cool दिखेगा यार ये. मतलब अंदर you wear a inner wear and then flaunt it from up. बहुत सही दिखेगा. It's like too cool. I love it. 1,300 baht, just under 2,000 rupees. Cool. I just want to try this. I'm not sure. This one I want to try. 8 UK, but I'm not sure if I want to buy it. Only if I like it on feet, then I'll buy it. Okay? Okay, 8 UK. You know, I never like wasting their time. That's why I'm very clear. Like, only if I like it, then I'm going to buy it. So let's see. I think this is 7 UK. Should I just try 7 UK once? Let me just have a look. I don't know, guys. I'm not able to decide. I think I like it. I love the color also. Neon is my favorite. You guys know. I tried it, guys, but I think I'll have to pass it. Well, for some reason, because I also have to travel from here all the way to Bangkok. और यहाँ पर ना थाईलैंड में अगर विद इन थाईलैंड आप फ्लाइट लेते हो तो उसमें ना बैगेज नहीं देते यार. जो सस्ती फ्लाइट्स है, अगर बजट फ्लाइट्स है तो उसमें बैगेज नहीं मिलता है. आपको अलग से परचेज करना पड़ता है. तो दिस विल ओनली प्रूव टू बी मोर कॉस्ट. सो आई एम जस्ट पासिंग दैट. जस्ट आउटसाइड Adidas, I see this board. This Mizuno brand here, which I am interested in. I'm just going to find out कि इसका स्टोर कहाँ पर है, because that brand is really doing good. It's a Japanese brand. We have covered that in Osaka as well. Okay, someone told me about this shop. There's no board here. Let's just walk inside and I see Vans. Look at this. What's the price for this one? 2,800 baht. 55% off. So 1,400 something. Not bad, guys. But there are other colors also. There's this color as well. So anything 55% off in Vans. That's nice. That's cool. Wow, I love this. This is so cool for girls, kids. Smaller feet. 1,800 baht. You know, some of these discoveries are so cool. Oh, look at this. Washed Vans. Love this. Look at this color. Very pretty color. So mostly क्या होता है ना कि Thailand, Vietnam, countries like Japan, Singapore, you'll get a lot of Vans variety. Look at all these colors available here. So cool. Oh, checkers Vans. Do you have sizes in this? Like 8 UK? Oh, small sizes only. For women and kids, 3,290. It's like 1,600 baht, which is under 5,000 rupees. I'm telling my audience about like Indian price. What's your name? Iki.
Yeah.
You're from Thailand?
Yes.
Krabi.
No. It's south of Thailand, Malaysia.
I mean, you love sneakers?
Yes.
That's why you're working
I
here.
like Adidas.
Adidas is your favorite? Just show me around like what Adidas stock we have, if you can. What's the price for this Adidas one? This is 3,800. So how much discount on this? Guys, 3,800 baht, not the INR.
It's 50.
So 1,900 baht. You got white color. Oh, you got this color. Oh, this is so unique. I've never seen this color in this particular SL72. They've got Boost as well. Okay, we've got a lot of varieties. Again, like we're just exploring Adidas, but we just done that. But most of I'm a YouTuber. I make sneaker content. So I just saw the outlet mall and I was like, let's go and do some content here.
What is your name?
Smart Kicks.
Can I search?
Yeah, of course you can. I would love to have a Thai friend on my subscriber list. I'm such a seller. KICKS. That's the one. Top one. Yeah, that's
you're
one.
famous.
I mean, just like that. Thank you so much for being generous. You're a good guy. Thank you. It's a huge store, honestly. I mean, I can see only the hardcore performance running shoes or studs, footballs. I can see this one. Check this out. This is extremely lightweight. Now, these Mizunos are taking over the world in the running segment. They're extremely good in terms of performance. There's these nice t-shirts, badminton shoes and all. I think I am done here. Oh, I saw something. Oh, this is a cool t-shirt. Wow, I love it. What's the price? Is there some offer on this? 1,095? So how much discount?
50.
800 baht. I love this logo here. Very subtle, very minimal. Cloth is quite premium, but not much discount, so I'm gonna pass that. Look at more varieties in Vans. More colors. Yeah. Oh wow. Am I just getting excited ऐसे ही? Yeah, this is really nice. Let me know in the comments. But जितने भी Vans के fans हैं ना, whenever you come to a Southeast Asian या South Asian countries, you'll find Vans का stores always. Let me just find out more. Otherwise, I think I'm done here. Oh, look at this. What a cool denim. ये मेरे size में मिलेगा क्या? Yeah, I think not bad. 34 maybe 34 36 the price is 600 baht 599 okay thank you let's go and try this guys मुझे तो सही लग रहा है what do you guys have to say just go for it I want this I got one of these jorts now and I think I'm going to flaunt these in Bangkok so 599 I got a friend who is shooting me. He just become my friend.
India.
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 Rupee.
Indian rupee.
Yeah.
Rupee, oh, you know. That's
สปีกไทย
nice.
ได้ไหมคะสปีกไทย
Can you speak Thailand?
I can one. Sawadika.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. That's all for this video, guys. I did some shopping and I'm going to flaunt this in Bangkok while I do more vlogs in Bangkok. तो Bangkok के लिए तो बहुत सारे shopping vlogs और exploration वाले vlogs आने वाले हैं. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on following me on Instagram because that's where we're doing some real action. Also, whenever I'm doing these vlogs, the whole thought is कि जितना raw रख सकूं because 2026 it's all about vlogging. I aim to post more than 100 vlogs in this year, so this is my attempt to it. Let's just get a knack of it. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and if you like anything or if you dislike anything unfiltered तरीके से just drop it in the comments. I would love to read that. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks. Let's go.